Today's feature Friday is the Metra blazer. I've made quite a few of these, but I've just pulled some footage of two of my versions. This print one is with a Ponte Roma. The short collar can be angled like this one here, or it could be rounded. You can choose. There's an optional type of pocket in there on the sides, and it's just a super wearable, comfortable blazer. It's not too hard to sew. I have filmed all the trickier little bits, and I have a video on my channel so you can see that. And I love this one in the pink with that print. It's just so pretty, and it's one that I've pulled out so much because it's so soft and comfortable to wear and looks a little bit more dressed up than a cardigan. So I do recommend Ponte Roma. I think it's a great fabric. Now this sleeveless one is the easiest one I've ever sewn. All the edges are raw. I have no facings here. I have no sleeves. It was just a few pieces sewn together. And this is a scuba suede stretch fabric, but it's just so easy. The lapel hangs beautifully and it's a great layering piece. I've lost count how many times I've worn this, about 1 billion times. And I'm not going to stop. This is a really wearable favorite pattern of mine. I really enjoy it and it's a fun sew. Don't forget to check it out today for only $5.